This YouTube channel gets 20 million views per month, and this one gets more than 3 million views per month. This TikTok channel gets more than 5 million views. Do you know why these 3 channels are getting millions of views? The reason is their niche. So, what is so special about their niche? All these 3 channels post videos about scientific facts. This niche is one of the most interesting and best niches, and the crazy thing is, you can gain millions of views with this niche. This niche has a bigger audience all around the world. The competition is also low. The reason is a lot of people don't know about accurate scientific facts. But you don't have to worry about it. This video is the only video that you need to watch to learn about this niche and start your own channel in this niche. You will learn how to create a name and description, a logo and banner, how to find video ideas. Then you will learn how to make videos from scratch. And finally, how to create thumbnails for your long-form videos. Consider this as a free course, so if you want to become a successful content creator, spend your next hour and apply what I'm about to teach you in this video. Chapter 1. Name and description. Guys, this process is really simple. We are going to use ChatGPT for this process. This process depends on how good you are writing at the prompt. We are going to use this prompt to generate several name ideas for this channel. Using this prompt, you will be able to generate unique names for your channel. As you can see here, we have 10 name ideas. We also have the meaning of these specific names. From this list, I like the one which is Veritasium, and let's ask ChatGPT to make a small description for this as well. This is perfect. Chapter 2. Logo and banner. You don't need to hire a graphic designer for this process. ChatGPT can create unique logos and banners for your channel for free. Let me show you how. I have created this unique prompt to generate a logo for the selected name. You just need to copy this prompt and replace this name with your channel's name. And that's all, guys. Just like this. You will be able to generate a high-quality, unique logo for your channel within several seconds. You can download this logo and remove the background and use it as your channel logo. Now let's generate a banner for this channel as well. You can use this prompt to generate a banner image. This is good, but I'm going to ask ChatGPT to improve this banner again. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This one is actually cool. Chapter 3. Finding video ideas. A lot of people mess up because they forget about this crucial step. If you don't have a content plan or enough video ideas, you can't upload videos consistently. And that's why this step is a must. Let's use ChatGPT again and create 20 video ideas, 10 short video ideas, and 10 long video ideas. Let's use this prompt for that process. As you can see here, we have 10 short and 10 long video ideas with unique and interesting topics, and this would be enough for a month. Chapter 4. Video creation. For this process, I'm going to be using an AI video creator called AI Cut. Using this tool, you will be able to make short and long videos for the topics that we just created. This tool is a cost-friendly tool. You can get their creator package for just $16, and you can make 30 videos. Let me show you how to use this tool to create a video for one of our topics. I'm going to select this second topic for this video, which is the bizarre science of why we yawn. This tool has several templates such as fake text and Reddit story videos. For this video, let's use this AI image story template. Now, we need to generate a video script. Click this Generate Script option and paste the topic we selected, and let's select 1 minute as the duration time of this video, and then we need to select language from here. And let's generate the script. This is perfect. The script is completed. Now go to this video tab. First, you need to select the aspect ratio for this video. This is a short video, therefore select this 9:16 ratio. Now you need to select this AI video mode. Here you can either use steady images or videos for your clip. Using animated images is the best option. Therefore, I'm going to go with this AI Video Pro option. Then, make sure to enable this sound effects and visual effects. Now you need to select an image style for your video. All of these styles are really cool, and I really like this Minecraft style videos. But for this niche, I think it would be good if we use this ultra-realistic style. Let's select it. Now, you need to go to this Captions tab and select a suitable caption style. Then, go to this Voice tab, and we need to select an AI voice for this video. As you can see here, we have the voices from OpenAI and 11 Labs. I'm going to select one of the voices from 11 Labs. Finally, go to this Music tab and select a suitable background music. Now, we can create the video. Let's take a look at the final output.
Scientific facts. Yawning is contagious because it's likely linked to empathy and social bonding. When we see someone yawn, we're subconsciously triggered to yawn as well, which scientists believe might be a form of mirror neurons at work. Cells in our brain that mirror others' actions to foster connection. This mimicking may have evolved as a way for early humans to synchronize group behavior, keeping everyone alert or in tune with one another's state. Some researchers also think that contagious yawning helps regulate group vigilance. When one person yawns, it could signal a need for the group to stay awake and alert, prompting others to follow suit.
This is a perfect video. The quality of the images and animations is top-notch. You can try this tool by using the link in the description. I think this tool is the best option for this niche. Now let's try to make a long video for this niche using this AI tool. For that, I'm going to select this topic, which is about the science of consciousness. This time I'm going to use my own script and convert it to a video using AI Cut. This is the script I created using ChatGPT. Now let's convert this to a video. The process is similar to before. Let's copy the script here, and this time we need to select the 16:9 aspect ratio. Now let's use the same settings and voice that we used before and generate the video.
Imagine waking up, feeling the warmth of sunlight on your face, the familiarity of your room, and the awareness that you are you. This profound sense of self, the distinct feeling of being you, is consciousness. But what exactly is it? How can the interplay of neurons and chemicals create the rich tapestry of thoughts?
Chapter 5, Thumbnail Creation. For this process, I'm going to use Leonardo AI, and guys, I have created a unique prompt for this thumbnail. You can read it and get a good idea about this. But if your video is about a different topic, this prompt would not be suitable. Now, let's go to Leonardo AI and create this thumbnail. I'm going to select this AI model for this process. Let's select this Leonardo Phoenix model. Let's copy our image prompt here. And make sure to select the 16:9 ratio for this thumbnail image. I'm going to create 4 different versions, and then we can select a good one for our video. Okay, great. These 4 images are good. There are some spelling errors in one of these images, so let's ignore that image. I think this first image would be good for this video. Now, if you want to increase the quality of this image, you can do that as well. Let me show you how to do it. Click this image, and as you can see here, there is this new option called Upscale the Image. Now, select this option, then you need to select this artistic style. Then, click this Advanced Setting option. Here you can play with these 3 options. I'm going to increase these 3 meters like this. Then click this Upscale Image option. Within several seconds, it will complete the process. See? The quality of the thumbnail has increased, and just like this, you can create the thumbnail for your channel. So if you follow all these 5 chapters, you will be able to create a fully monetized YouTube channel in this niche. And guys, I hope you learned some valuable information from this video. If you have any questions, drop a comment. If you want, you can join our Telegram group and send me the link to your YouTube channel. I will personally check it and give my opinion. Have a great day, guys.